Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video, unit number 3, suspension and braking system, subject automobile engineering, B mechanical, we are going to discuss the following points. Those are sprung mass and unsprung mass. Now before starting with the suspension system, we need to understand what is a sprung mass and what is a unsprung mass, because in an automobile we have already seen the frame of the body, the automobile frame, the chassis, and on the chassis and wheels the suspension system is attached. Now let us discuss these points in details. Now in this diagram you can see a diagram of your automobile. Here you can see this is the body, okay, this is the spring, these are the springs and the wheels, that is the tires. Now if you modify this diagram, it is having two types of masses: the sprung mass, that is the chassis and the body, and unsprung mass. Now unsprung mass is that mass which is below the suspension system, and that is generally the axle and the tires. So wheels, in wheels, rims, tires and axles are unsprung mass. So you can see the tire spring, so it acts as a spring also, tire damping, and this is the spring and this is the damper, that is what we call as the shock absorber. Now in this diagram you can clearly, it is quite clear that this is the automobile frame, okay, an automobile frame. Now this is the sprung weight, okay, this is the suspension systems, okay, this is the suspension and unsprung weight. Now what is the unsprung weight? The tires and the axles, that is the unsprung weight. The tire also compresses, it also acts as a spring, right. So it is discussed in details here. Now what is sprung mass? In a vehicle with a suspension such as automobile, motorcycle or a tank, sprung mass or the weight is that portion of the automobile's total mass that is supposed to be above the suspension. So whatever is above the suspension is called as the sprung mass. So we have already seen, and what is the example of that? So example of sprung mass is again body, frame, internal components such as engines and gearbox, passenger, cargo, etc. And now this does not include the components such as the axles, bearings of the wheels, the brake rotors and calipers. So it is not included in that. And now again, what is unsprung mass? Unsprung mass, in a ground vehicle with a suspension, the unsprung weight or the unsprung mass, what we call it as, is the mass of the suspension, and basically it is wheels, the tracks as applicable and other components directly connected to them. Now what are those components directly connected? That is the rear axle, front axle, you have the brake caliper, that is the disc caliper, the braking disc, the shoes, the drum, the rim and the tires itself, because it is also having its own mass. Unsprung weight includes the mass of the components such as, again the same thing is discussed here, that is the drive shaft, that is the springs, shock absorbers, the hub, the wheel bearings and etc. So let us classify types of suspension system. So suspension system is broadly classified in spring type. Again in spring type you have leaf, type, coil type and torsion bar. Again rubber springs, it is again classified into rubber springs, and these are the types of rubber spring: compression shear spring, again steel reinforced springs, progressive phase shear and torsional shear spring. Again the shock absorbers are again telescopic and lower arm type. Next is the independent suspension system. Independent suspension system, it is basically generally it is used for the front wheels, and it is the wishbone or the parallel link type suspension, the McPherson strut type, vertical guide type, trailing link type and swinging half axle type. Again the next type of suspension system is the air suspension system or pneumatic, what we call it as the, again air springs are again two types, there is the below type and the piston type. Next is the stabilizer or the anti-roll bar and hydroelastic suspension. So these are the types of suspension used in the automobiles, almost for all the applications. So again this is the references, you can read these books: Kirpal Singh, Cruz, Anglin, Tata McGraw-Hill and R.B. Gupta, Automobile Engineering. So this was all regarding the sprung mass, unsprung mass and the classification, or what we also call as a type of the suspension system. So thank you friends, thank you very much.